in 49 is in effect the continuation of 48.
Okay.
In fairness to our dear reader and listener, I'm really going on with explaining the basic idea of 48 further. I'm trying to make it very explicit that with the hunter-gatherer lifestyle, you had the early cessation of aging, more abrupt aging. You have a better overall level of health because you had 1 million years to adapt to those conditions. Agricultural populations, a novel environment with a progressively increasing population size. You expect aging to be far more protracted. And this is actually probably why people did not realize that aging stopped. Because our canonical example of aging was the human case. And in humans, indeed, for almost all of our adult lives, for almost everybody, aging is a continuing and unrelenting process. They die before they ever get out of it.
Yes. Yes.
And that is enormously important for the history of science and indeed medicine.
And of course they died, a lot of it was they died because of agricultural conditions. You know, lots of people living in the same place, cohabiting with animals. The very conditions of agricultural life made living much longer than 50 pretty difficult.
Well, there were two factors. One, of course, is the contagious disease became much more widespread and deadly. It's very easy for pandemics to spread in a place like ancient Rome.
Yes.
Incredibly easy. Poor public health sanitation, and on the order of 1 million people all jammed together.
In apartment
what could be
buildings.
better?
Yes.
Yeah, and not in suburban houses detached, just all living cheek by jowl. And for me, the most graphic fact is that the lavatory was in the kitchen. The ideal setting for spreading gastrointestinal infections.
Oh, really? Really?
Yeah. And they also didn't have soap. So how ugly does it get?
Yeah. Right.